The Bloom airdrop is making waves and the community is really growing while the team is doing their job. The Bloom team have made a critical observation and have explained key things confusing few or a lot of airdroppers, and that is what I'll be discussing in this very video and many more. So in this video, I'll be discussing the Bloom drop game, the Bloom MEMEPAD, how to earn more Bloom points by playing your drop game, and how to get more passes on Bloom so that you can stack up more Bloom points and increase your Bloom point before listing. You can still join the Bloom airdrop with the link in the description of this very video. It's not late, and that will be the first link. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. First thing first, let me congratulate every one of us that is mining the Bloom airdrop in advance, because this airdrop may cook from the look of things. And seeing that the team is doing a lot of work, the Bloom drop game is designed to make you earn more Bloom points. And you can play the drop game by the number of passes you have. What that means is, if you do not have any passes, you cannot play the drop game. So once you get those passes, you can play the drop game and increase your Bloom point. So one important thing is, while playing the drop game, you need to avoid the bombs, because the bombs sucks up your Bloom point that you already stacked. So what you need to do is to use the freeze to pause the clock from ticking. And once that happens, you have the capacity or the capability to stack up more Bloom points by tapping. And this is very, very important. One advantage of the freeze mode is that it makes you rack up those sweet Bloom points easily and quickly. So let me dive right into the details and show you how this works in real time. So first thing first, I am mining right now, and you can see this mining take about 7 hours, okay, or more to mine, and it do mine about 57 Bloom points. Now this 57 Bloom point cannot make you any reasonable Bloom points in a day. So one of the way you can rack up those Bloom points is by playing the drop game. And you can only play the drop game by the number of passes that you have. So the number of passes that you have enable you play the drop game that number of times. Just in this very case right here, I can play this game 19 times because I have 19 passes. And this is very important, especially for those of us that is finding it very difficult. It's one of the way you can rack up your Bloom points by playing this drop game right here, which is very important right now. And one other thing is, you get these passes as a result of you logging into your Bloom app every day. So if you log in today, you should have some passes added to your former pass that you have yesterday. Let's say, for example, you were logging in for the past 20 days, and on the 21st day you miss out. What the Bloom app will do is to reverse you back to square one. You are going to start from the first day again, second, third, just like that. So this keep counting the number of days you log into your Bloom app. So keep logging into your Bloom app even though it's once a day. And the reason is because so that you can get this very pass for your drop game, so that you can stack up more Bloom points from this very play. And this is very, very important. And this is what you need to do to stack up more Bloom points, aside you just farming right at this very point, because farming take a lot of time, because this is 7 to 8 hours before you can then get 57 Bloom points. If I click on this play, I want to explain something right here. So when I click on play, you see this is the drop game. So if you tap on it, it will be stacking up your Bloom point right at this very point. As you can see, if I tap on it, it will be adding my Bloom point at this very point. One other thing I want to explain here is the bomb. Look at it here. If I click on bomb here, it will collect my Bloom point that I already have. I will do that again, for example. Okay, if I click on it, it will take my Bloom point off. But if I click on the freeze, it will pause the timer, just like this one. It will pause this timer not to move, so that I can be able to stack up more Bloom point from here. So you have to know the difference between the bomb and the freeze. The bump will take your bloom point, while the freeze will always make the timer to pause. And remember, this timer runs for 30 seconds. So in 30 seconds, you have to stack up this bloom point. Use your freeze to pause the timer so that you can be able to stack up more bloom point and avoid the bump, because if you tap on the bump, just as in this case, it will collect off your bloom point, which will make your effort futile. So all you need to do in this very game is to avoid the bump, use the freeze to seize the timer, and then stack up more bloom point, as you can see. So this is how you play the game. I want to play this game one more time for example. So all I need to do is to play again, and then I will avoid all the bumps that I see right at this very point, and then take advantage of the freeze so that I can actually freeze the timer, and then I can have more time to actually play and get more drops. And this is what I want to do right here. So this is what you need to do to get more bloom points. So if you know how to play this game very well, you can rack up to 150 bloom point. This is what I do, and this is very achievable. Okay, 150 to 180 bloom point is very, very possible. You can see right here I get 157. Sometimes I play up to 180 and 190 from this very drop game, and this takes you just 30 seconds. All you need to do, avoid the bump and also use your freeze to pause the timer so that you can have enough time to play your game. So this is very, very important right now, guys, and this is what you need to pay attention to. So aside you referring your friends, also log into your app every day to get these passes so that you can play the drop game, which is very, very important. Another important key feature of the Blum ecosystem is the memepad. The memepad is a feature that is almost ready to launch according to the Blum team. And the memepad is a decentralized exchange on Telegram that will allow users to create their own meme token under a minute, and it also allows users to buy and sell meme token instantly on Telegram. Remember, this have not happened before, and this is very, very innovative. Imagine buying and selling meme coin on your Telegram app. One interesting thing about the memepad is that it will be the first decentralized exchange on Telegram, which enable users to trade as if they are trading on other DEX like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. This is a further proof that the Blum team is not just creating a token. They are actually creating the token with utility. The Blum team is not just creating a hit and run project just to collect money off the table from the community and then you will not see them again, they will just disappear. Think about it. They are thinking of a long-term project, something that can stay in the crypto space for a very, very long time. And one of the reasons why I see memepad a possibility is because Blum have the team with the technical know-how and experience. Not only that, they have the necessary partnership with over 30 different blockchains that is going to make this a possibility for the Blum memepad decentralized exchange to come true. However, as airdroppers, we need to keep things very, very simple and not to overpromise ourselves or over expect from the Blum team, because this is very important. Anything can happen in the crypto space, and that is why we need to keep things very, very simple. If you are looking for a project to keep your eye on or to bank on, then the Blum airdrop and project is one of those projects you can keep your eye on right now. When the memepad finally comes through, it will be a game changer in the space because no such DEX have been created or developed before on Telegram or in crypto history. And this is why I am expecting the Blum token to do well, especially in the long term. And this is what you need to also consider right now if you are mining Blum. This is very, very important for all Blum miners. And if you've not joined our Telegram channel for more crypto updates and compelling technical analysis, I will leave a link in the description of this very video. That will be the first link. Join right now and also in the pinned comment. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Thanks for watching.